Boy, hi. Sorry.
All right, so I'm in my HelloFresh website, and here you see I've skipped this week's. Right, okay. But then I can see coming weeks or whatever. So just click over here, and I can make changes by tomorrow, June 5th. It'll tell me that I can make changes. And I've actually already selected the meals for next week, and we're getting the Juicy Lucy burger with tomato, onion, jam, and potato wedges, and the beef and poblano tacos with kiwi salsa and lime crema. This one's spicy, so I like to get a spicy one. You can also choose like one gourmet selection. They always have one type of gourmet selection where there's either seafood or steak. This one is the sirloin. So there's truffle cream, roasted carrots, potatoes, and it also gives you the time that it takes to make these. So like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. So and there's some that I think are even 20 minutes. I don't think there's any this week for 20 minutes, but there are some. So if you want a shorter time, you also have like regular or not extra things. Like if you order something that you want garlic bread with, or if you want a dessert, you can get cookies or fruit if you want seasonal fruit. And then you just go down here and select meals. And it will send by June 10th. So on that Monday, I'll get my bag or box. There's also an app that you can get. But I can click select meals. Then it'll ask me if I want any of the extras, and I don't like that. I don't get the extras. So you can also add a third meal if you want for $8.74 per serving, which is the same. Here's my total, $69.92 for 2 meals, 4 servings per meal. And I can save that. And then it asks me if I want extras. I don't get the extras. I skip. And then I'm ready to go. So I can make changes by tomorrow, and it'll charge me on Thursday. And then by Monday, I get my box of all the ingredients. Now you can click on this and see the specifics. So you can see preparation time is 30 minutes, difficulty level 1, calories, 740 calories per serving. You can also see that there's allergens, there's wheat, there's milk. So if you have an allergy for anything, you can see that they have the warnings on there. You can also see the full recipe. It also says spicy. There's the allergens again, just in case. It also tells you what wine is good paired with this meal. Then it shows you serving amount for 2 or 4. I always get the 4 serving because I have 4 people here. And it tells you all the ingredients. Like 1 red onion, 1 poblano pepper. Now, if I switch over to 4, it shows me you get double that. I guess it's not going to show me. But it shows you everything that you're going to get. This is not included. Oil, pepper, salt. Usually what's not included you already have, so it's not a big deal. And then there are instructions. And just like on the website, they give you a recipe card that has all the ingredients, has all of the nutritional value, has everything that you're going to need, and also has the pictures. Then by your history, it tells you what you might also like in the future that they offer. So you can go by that. Again, this is like and you can also like favorite it or rate it. You can download the recipe card yourself. And I can go as far as a couple of weeks. I think 3 or 4 weeks, maybe. If it'll go back. There we go. So I already selected the meals for this week, or this coming week. And then I can go forward and see what I have for next. I skipped this one because I only do every other week. But you can go ahead and look ahead for Monday, June 17th. My family plan, which is 2 meals and 4 servings per meal. And you have another 9 options. And again, some of them go up to, there's your gourmet, which is your gourmet chicken, prosciutto wrapped chicken. They also give you Hall of Fame choices and then spicy choices. I think, yep, there's one that's 20 minutes. And you can look at any of these ahead of time and see, you know, what you want. See, again, there's allergen soy and milk. And again, I can go forward another week. And I've already picked, nope, I haven't picked these. It automatically selects the first 2 in the grouping. And you can go down here and select meals like I did before. And you can unchoose those. If they're selected, you can unselect them. And again, it's still only $69.92. We like the Baja chicken quesadillas. We've had those before. I might try something else. I don't want to select my meals right now, so I'm not going to. Let's see how far we can go. There's another week, so June 24th, that's 3 weeks ahead. And 4 weeks ahead. Five weeks ahead. And is that as far as I can go? Looks like it. I can't go any further. But it gives you the dates that you can make the changes by. Also the date that you're going to actually get your meals. And it comes in a really nice box, insulated very well. The meat is very well insulated with cold packs that you can recycle if you're into that. And that's how it works. I don't think it'll let you see it unless you actually subscribe. So that's why I'm showing this and making this video. So anyway, when I get more meals, I get more coupons. And if you want them, just let me know.